Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Bissell Little Green Proheat is spraying water but not picking it back up, then you're dealing with a suction issue that can make cleaning almost useless. This problem usually shows up when the machine sounds normal, but the dirty water just sits on the surface instead of being pulled into the tank. The reason behind this is often not a major failure, but something interrupting the airflow path inside the unit. Since suction depends on sealed connections, clean pathways, and proper tank placement, even a small gap or blockage can reduce performance dramatically. Instead of assuming the motor is damaged, it's much more effective to go through a few targeted checks that restore suction quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix your Bissell Little Green Pro Heat when it's not suctioning. Try these. Step 1. Remove the dirty water tank and empty it completely. Step 2. Reattach the tank securely to ensure a tight seal. Step 3. Clean the suction nozzle and remove any debris blocking airflow. Step 4. Check the hose for clogs or buildup inside. Step 5. Inspect the gasket and seals for proper alignment. Step 6. Turn the unit on and test suction on a small area.